Hi, this is Kiritivasan, co-founder of PiSence Technologies, and today I'm excited to show you how our cutting-edge IoT solution, TextileSense, is transforming textile factories into intelligent data-driven powerhouses. So this is the dashboard. So right away, the central dashboard, you get a real-time bird's view of the entire factory floor from production to machine health, the energy usage to alerts, all live in one place. So you can see. And we track the critical KPIs like overall equipment effectiveness OEE and downtime defect, average production output, and everything possible, every possible thing we calculate here. And we got the live active overview. You can see the active machines, unit produced today, and energy consumed today, and the alerts. So you can see the live alerts over here. And then we got the production module. You can see the exact number of units has been produced in the last hour and overall effectiveness, and you can see the downtime over here. And we also got the light module, and you can see by each area stitching line for dyeing, cutting, and each machine's overall view. And we got the line performance overview. And next we got the inventory module. The inventory module, you can see the stock dashboard, and we got the pie chart for accessories and fabrics and what is based. It's all based on the companies you have. And this is the inbound and outbound locks. Next, we got the machine health. You can see the spinning machines and all things. You can also change to dyeing and main compressor and all those things. And this is a AI powered fault prediction. You can set the timestamp and what you need, and you can also predict the failure. This is the AI module. Then we got the energy monitoring solution. You can see the daily usage, weekly and monthly. You can also select the time range, and this is the cost estimation, estimated cost for today based on the current usage. And peak hours has been detected, and we got the energy saving tips. Next is generator. This is for the generator monitoring solution. And we got last run time as 3 days are gone, last duration 45 minutes. And we got the fuel calculator, and we can also see the load handling for the generator motor. Next is water management. You can see the main storage tank, the capacity and how much is left, and we can also see the real time flow and the flow rate for the chart. Then if you got windmill solar powers, you can get this module, the sustainability dashboard. So we got the renewable mix, the number of wind power and solar power. You can see the number of kilowatt it has been done, and carbon emission savings. And we got our sustainability goals. Yeah. Next is fire safety. You can see safety sensors for the spinnings, and each machine has been detected, smoke detectors, gas sensors, and all those things. And we got the emergency contacts over here. You can also directly call to the fire and safety maintenance call. Then you can, this is the alert log, you can also acknowledge it, and you can see the acknowledged logs here. Next is the overall analytical dashboard. You can see the production report and average effectiveness and downtime. We got energy analysis and also defect analysis. Next is fault analytics. You can see the downtime events for the last 20. Spinning area, dyeing, spinning, everything you can see over here. You can see for the last 2 days, yesterday and today, what's happening here. This is a heat map. Next is we got the settings. We can add a new device over here. Or we got the user management. Just have to add new user, and this is the alert rules. You have to set the rule name and which meter and what you want to set over here. This is general. You can set the name of the company and all those things. And this is the overall textile monitoring solution. If you like to get this software for your company, please contact us in the number below. Thank you.